So I'm Dan, this is Aggressive Overland. We don't have Charlie anymore, it's just me, Hilda, Frida. Charlie, I shipped Charlie back home, so he's happy now. But yeah, so today we're gonna go up to the spot where we saw cat footprints, and we're gonna set up a hide.
Air down the tires, air down the tires.
So I just stopped at this little pull-off here, right by where we kind of launched last time. And it's like, just so cool here, man. These trees are just so crazy to me. But like, this is the craziest thing. I just learned a bunch about trees and stuff the other day. I watched some videos. So yeah, look at this tree stump. Look at that. That tree was probably huge, man. It's still kind of alive too, because all the other trees keep it alive. They like pass nutrients through the ground through the fungi and stuff. I was watching a show on it the other day. They're doing all these studies like in Vancouver too at this university.
I mean, pretty big, man, pretty big.
Oh, I'm just setting up this hide. See how she goes, and I'm gonna mark it with the GPS where it is. And I'll leave it here for a few days, and then I'll come back. I think the only problem will be is not that someone's going to steal it. The problem is going to be rain and then flood and then take it out. But it's been raining a lot, so hopefully wherever I put it, it will be safe. Bear spray just in case. Okay, so I got the hide strapped to my back. Yeah, I never carried this before. It'll probably weigh the same as everything does. Heavy. What? It's not bad, no. It's not bad. Not bad. Yeah, let's get back where we were last time with Charlie. Yeah, we gotta go that way. Wood is just like so soft, I'm just stepping through it. See, this would be a good spot, but it's kind of low. I don't know. There's trails in here, man, I think. Let's see it. Oh, I think I see it. Okay, so I think I see it up here. This is it, definitely where I... Yeah, the thing is, I don't know where to set it up. Like, I don't know if it floods, it's gonna come up pretty high, right? But, so I gotta be like up in here. But look, that was all flooded recently. Yeah, this was tiny. I walked across this the other day. It rained a lot recently. I don't know, I'm thinking right here, but not quite as flat. But nowhere's flat here. Really like the spot. I haven't used this in so long. It's such a waste of having such a sweet day. I'm like, oh, there's steaks too. Yeah, I'm gonna steak it now. Look what I got. Oh. Wow, that set up so easy. This might be a better spot. Hey, don't dig at my shit. Might be better. Where's the entrance part? Perfect, Gary. It's like I know what I'm doing. Oh yeah, it's flat in here. I placed this thing perfectly. Yeah, this is gonna be where we hide. Feel that. This is so cool. Photography only, no hunting. Oh, Hilda, Frida, where are ya? I think these dogs think we're staying in here overnight, and they're all like, oh shit, come here. Yeah, see? I'll bring you maybe even a dog bed in here, and then the thing I'm worried about is that if we're chilling and they smell an animal or hear an animal, they'll start barking, and then I'm screwed. So that's why I don't want to bring them all the time, but I'm gonna have to try. Like, I can't leave him at home forever. Peggy Sue. I mean, the ground's so soft, I probably just stomped him. Things in the freaking ground. Oh, did I just do that? Oh, I just went to grab it, just smacked my bird. I think I just gotta put like a rock or something on the tag in there. There's no rocks here though. Now, last time I used this, it blew away. But that was a storm, man. The last time I used this, it was a storm. It was crazy. In here. Oh yeah, I got rocks. Always be prepared. You stay with me. We get to the treat. So that's how it works. You can hear planes flying around. And I know no knots at all. You don't know knots, you tie lots. So this is what I'm looking at here. Like, it's pretty sick. It doesn't look like it's gonna move. Let's see how they do when I lock them in here. No, stay. Get my chair. Frig, I could bring my big chair out here, but just put my chair. Now, I want the camera to probably be like this, but then the camera's gonna be like up a bit. You know what I do though? I sit, I move it, and then I kneel, and then I... So this is from inside looking out, and that's what the main opening is gonna see. There's already birds here for me to take pictures of. And I can just like adjust it how I want. That's it. Just put it on this tree. Adjustable, baby. Okay, so I got all my stuff right here. Kind of neat. Little setup. Got my camera. Lenses that are good here. And we're gonna chill for a bit. Quietly. You know, probably won't see anything. Gotta come at different times of day, but this is just setup. This is cool. Oh, jeez. That's what we got here. We got from in the hide. So there, and then we're past a bit of a divider on the wall. There's another wall. Then we got this. If it comes up and walks whatever it is this way, we'll be set. And then the bird feeder. Where's the bird feeder? Wow. It's just at the range of zoom. Cool.